Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Despite, and in this particular tutorial I'm going to help you and teach you the step-by-step guide you can use to come about designing this advertisement flyer. You get it? So I'm going to prove to you that this design is really simple, that even if you don't have any knowledge about graphic design, you can still come about designing such beautiful flyer using your smartphone. So you can download the app which I'm going to use, that's the Canva application. You can download it on your App Store or your Play Store. So having downloaded that, let's dive deep into the practical aspect. So the app you're going to use is Canva application. Hope you can see Canva application. So if you've downloaded that, this is the interface of the Canva application. So for you to first start your design, you need to set the design size. You get it? You have to do get the size of your design workspace before you start your design. So you just tap on your plus sign. In this particular tutorial, we are just going to select the square. This is the Instagram post size. This is a default custom size. Alright, so having done that, this is the square form. This is the interface, our design board. This is where we are going to put our information. So what we are going to do first is get our background. You get it? So I'm going to select a background for my design. So I'm going to use a beautiful background I downloaded for the design. Okay, I have it now. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my image and then my text. So you just go straight to your plus sign and then locate where we have upload. You do get it. Go to upload, and if you don't have it here at the image size, just tap on upload file. So you will be required to choose it whether from your gallery, which is choose photo library, or take a photo, or choose from your file directly onto the design stage. So because I have it on my recent tabs, I'm just going to use that as the design. Alright, so I'm just going to minimize it a little bit using the edges of it, the small balls there. I'm going to use that. So you're just going to enlarge it and scroll to where we have flip. So I'm going to flip it horizontally. Hope you see. So I'm just going to position it at a particular place I prefer. I think I'm okay with it. So what we're going to do next is bring our text. So we are going to first bring in our we are going to bring our shape. So you tap on the plus sign, you go to where we have elements. So we are going to select the square. Okay, so we are going to change the color of the shape to a beautiful color that we're going to use. Okay, we are okay with it. So we are using the color template. So let's select. Okay, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I'm going to minimize it a little bit and position it here. Alright, so when I'm done, I'm just going to start in to bring in my text. So you tap on the plus sign, then you go to where we have text, then you go to add a heading, then you select. So you now add your text to it. So are you starting? Are you starting a business? Simple. So you see the small horizontal line here. It's vertical, sorry. So you are just going to enlarge it for you to have all your text horizontally. We are now going to minimize it and change the color. So you tap the color. So let's use white. So let's minimize it a little bit to fit in our shape. On this a little bit. Okay, I'm okay with this. Perfect. So I'm now going to add my other information as well, which is, do you need a graphic designer? So I'm going to add that real quick. I'm going to minimize it a little bit and position it here. And change the color as well. Alright, so I'm going to add my last two words. So I'm going to select a particular font for this. So you select where you tap on where we have font, then you are going to use Anton. You're going to use Anton. So here we have the Anton style here. So what we are going to do is just change the color and then, you know, enlarge it a little bit. Hope you understand. So we are just going to enlarge it a little bit and then tap on the double two layers here to duplicate the whole text. Then you will now tap on edit. So you just clear and add our design. Okay, we are almost getting done with our design. So are you looking, or are you starting a business? Do you need a graphic designer? Probably it's just an advertisement flyer we're creating, so we don't have to make it too some way, you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do is just scroll to where we have the niche, so you know, make it be in line with each other. Hope you understand. Perfect. So we're just going to do same to all the text, because we want it to be positioned accurately. We don't want some to be, you know, bigger than others. Okay, I think this is okay. So what we are going to do is add our location. Do you get it? So we are basically going to add just hello to welcome them. So let's first welcome them. Hello. Remember to change your color. So it depends on the color you want to use. Do you get it? It depends the color you want to use. Okay, so let me bring it down a little bit because I'm good. So I'm just going to add some little slogan to it. So beautiful designs attract more customers or clients. You can use any for your slogan. and be mindful to check your color aspect also. Okay, don't forget the color aspect also. So you got to minimize it a little bit and position it. So you scroll to where we have position, then tap on center. Perfect. So we are just going to add some little shape for it to look more realistic and beautiful. Hope you understand. So what we're going to do next is go to our shape and bring in a triangular shape. So this is what we're going to use. So you're going to expand the top and the side, and you're going to bring it backward. So you first change the color and scroll to where we have, okay, just tap on this more, the 3 dots, and then tap on send backward. Hope you get it. Send backward, then you are good to go. So what we are going to do next is add our number and our brand name as well. Hope you get it. So our number, you can add, go to text and add the number. So I'm going to use my number. Perfect. And change the color as well. So I'm going to duplicate this and then bring it here for my brand name. So let me just push this a little bit to make it look more beautiful. And also always check your alignment as well. Don't forget. Always check your alignment. And also for our last part, you can add your icon to it. That is, if it is core icon, Instagram icon, Facebook icon, you can still get that by tapping on your plus sign and then scroll to where we have the elements. You can search them in the search engine provided, but because I have it already here, I'm just going to tap on that and use it for my design. So I'm going to change the color as well and minimize it a little bit. And do same for the core as well. Beautiful. So this is just an easy step-by-step way for you to get your business advertisement flyer done. Isn't it beautiful? You can do this using your smartphone. Hope you know you didn't use laptop, or we used that. No, we didn't. So what you just do is just watch the tutorial twice and replicate the same, and you are good to go. When you are done, kindly submit it for correction. Thank you very much. For the mail, so you can actually use this. If you are a male, you can use it for your design, but if you are a lady, you can just tap this and then bring in another required photo for your design. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use this for the ladies. I'm going to use this for the ladies. Alright, so this is the easy ways to do your or create your advertisement flyer using your smartphone. So kindly watch this tutorial twice and start your design process. Okay, so when you are done with the design, kindly tap on the arrow pointing down to save your design.
So you just tap on it, then it's going to download into your gallery successfully, preparing your design. Alright, so it has been saved into your gallery. So you can still save it. Tap on save image to save it on your device, or save it as a file on your phone. That's for the iPhone users or the Android users. You can still save it. So kindly finish up your design and save it and submit it in the discussion group. Thank you once again. This is Despite. I'm out.